How to cancel a private server on Roblox. Now, this is very simple and I want you to follow along in order for you not to miss any steps. Go ahead and click the navigation menu here and then open your inventory. So after opening your inventory, I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see private servers and then head to my private servers. Now that you are here, you should be seeing here all of the servers we have as well as how much you're paying for them. This one is for free here. Now I'm just going to open it. And yeah, basically from here, click the servers, and then what you are going to do is basically configure your server. So this one here, for example, I'm going to click this one and then choose configure. After doing so, you should be able to see here the price. And say, for example, this one cost you like several Robux. What you're going to do is basically under it, you're just going to go ahead and cancel the subscription. Once you cancel the subscription, nobody should be able to use the server anymore. And additionally, this one right here, what you're going to do is basically disable allow joining. Now, if you're going to do that one, basically no one will be able to use your server. Again, that is how we are going to do it. Once you have stopped the subscription, the server should be deleted and will not be accessible by anyone else. And that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.